Okay, so what this means is that you can add your own textures if nothing's one-to-one. And I think there's other tutorials for that, but I'm not gonna show the tutorial for that. Okay, wait, I can change what the bangs look like, the position of the bangs. It's really nice. And the length of them too. For these pieces, I think they do go in more. Oh, I do have the braids though. Okay, that's so cute. That is actually really cute. There's pigtails, animal ears. Okay, I don't know if they have the one that I have. Okay, this is puppy ears. Horse ears. This. I'm pretty sure. Okay, these are sheep ears, but I think they would work. Antenna. I don't need that. Fins. I also have fins, which is nice. Gills, glasses. Okay, so the glasses, they will definitely not have the glasses that I have here. Horns. Mecha. I thought this was pretty cool, you know? Tail. Oh, yes. Okay. Oh, this is so difficult to see. There we are. Foxtail. Okay, they probably have foxtails over here. That's just the textured ones. Okay, I don't have wings, but if you have wings, there is a lot of options here. Outfit color. This is just the outfits, right? Yeah. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. Mine's not that unique, but I would say my color's like this one. I'll keep on looking though. Or this one. Definitely this one. I think this is the one I had first. Hair color. Okay. Let's see. I had to move myself because I'm getting hex codes right now, so sorry that it's kind of all over the place. This is the character that I have so far, and I think she looks so cute. She's not perfect, but that's okay. And I need to work on the tail. I'll have to do a custom texture for the tail, and most likely the glasses, and maybe the hair, kind of the stars so that it looks similar. But overall, I think she's very cute. Let me show you the bits, donations. I don't know which my favorite is yet. I think the bonk is cute. Okay, the bug. I'm not using that. But thank you for watching the video, and if you want to know how to add textures, there are a lot of tutorials out there. I don't think I'd be able to show you that. But I'll probably just change the tail and then I will have the emotes once I can. I think I have to hit monetization though, so that might take me a very long time. But thank you for watching. Bye!